Hello my dear viewers. From 0 to this is the table of values of sine, cos and tan from 0 to 90. And these values run from 0 to 360 degree. These 5 values, sine and cos and this tan. This is a quadrant table. In the first quadrant from 0 to 90, all are positive, mean sine, cos, tan, all are positive here. But in the second quadrant, it is second quadrant, sine is reciprocal, cosecant is positive only. All other are negative. In the third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive and sine and cos will be negative here. In this quadrant from 180 to 270. It is fourth quadrant now. In the fourth quadrant, only cos and its reciprocal secant will be positive, and the values for the all other sine and tan will be negative. So, how to find the value of sine, cos and tan from 0 to 360 for any angle, any standard angle which comes within from 0 to 360 within 5 seconds. So, we take first 150 degree. We change it into multiples like 30 into 5. It will be good for you to change it in radians, that is pi by 6 into 5 mean 5 pi by 6. The value will be of 30 degree for this 150 degree. We have made the multiples of 30 angle. For sine 150 degree, the value for 30 degree or pi by 6 radian. This is the radian. What is the value for sine 30? It is 1 by 2. But the angle is 150. It lies in second quadrant, and in the second it is positive. Only sine is positive, therefore it will be positive. For cos 150 degree, the value for this 150 cos is remain the same for 30 degree, under root 3 by 2. But it will be negative because 150 degree lies in the second quadrant and only sine is positive. Other values will be negative here. So we take 120. 120 is, there are two multiples, 30 by 4 into 60 by 2. Which will be correct for 120 degree? Mean 30 is pi by 6, mean 4 pi by 6, and it is 2 pi by 3. 2 to the 4, 2, 3 the 6. Mean 2 pi by 3. The value of 60 degree is correct. 2 pi by 3 for 120. So for sine 120 degree will be pi by 3 is 60 degree. Sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. It will be positive because 120 lies in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant sine is positive. For cos 120, cos 60 is 1 by 2. It must be negative because it is second quadrant, and in the second quadrant cos is negative. We change it in here. We change here in radian because there must be problem. there must be two multiples of 120. Like 240 also it has two multiples, 30 and 60, and for which value is correct for 120. Therefore we change in radian. And third angle we take is 210. (30° multiplied by 7 mean 7 pi by 6. Pi radian is 180°. Pi by 6. Therefore sine 210° is its value is for pi by 6 mean 30°. It is 1 by 2. But the angle is 210. Only this angle decides for the sign, whether it be positive or negative. Otherwise the value will be for, value is mean numerical value is for 30° or pi by 6 radian. So the angle is 210. It lies in the third quadrant. Therefore it must be negative here. And for cos 210, value is for 30°, and cos 30° is under root 3 by 2. It must also be negative because it is third quadrant, and in the third quadrant tan is positive only. We take some other references. 330 degree is 30 11 mean 11 pi by 6. For sine 330, the value is for pi by 6, 1 by 2. But the angle is 330. In the fourth quadrant, the sign may be negative. For the cos 330°, the value is for 30°, and the cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. It will be positive because it is fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cos is positive. For sine 240°, its value is of 60°. What is the sine? What is the value of 60° for sine? It is under root 3 by 2. And cos 240°, it is 1 by 2. It is also third quadrant. 240 is lies in third quadrant. Therefore sine will be negative and cos value will also be negative. This is the quick reference to find the value of any angle for sine, cos and tan, mean any standard angle from 0 to 360. You can calculate in this way. This is a quick trick. I think you will remember this trick and find the value. There will be no problem for you.